Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real nice Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a yummy recipe with no other than breadfruit. So we're going to be doing a boiled and fried breadfruit. Ever had that? That's so good. That tastes real nice, as we can say in Guyana. So today we're going to be doing a recipe for that, and you can have boiled and fried breadfruit just like you do with boiled and fried provisions like plantain and cassava and so on. You can have it with fried salted fish, stewed salted fish. You can have a fish curry. So all we're gonna need is our breadfruit, some onion, some scallion, pepper, and that's it. And this is gonna make for one such delicious dish. And I'm gonna show you in a second what we're gonna have this with today. And this is what we're gonna have our boiled and fried breadfruit with today. Look at this. Gilbaka curry on the fire already. Alright, so we're gonna start with our breadfruit, our green breadfruit. And this is a bit tough. You can also fry the half fried breadfruit as well. That tastes yummy too. So you want to remove the guts like that. So you can hear that the skin is tough. Alright, so we have all our breadfruit peeled. So now we're going to cut them up into the sizes we want. So you don't want to cut them too big, you want them to boil fast, and then you don't want to cut them too small to melt up quickly. So about this size here is good, I'd say. And this, when you make the chips from breadfruit chips, that's the best chips there is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course we have a recipe for breadfruit chips on this channel also, you can check it out. So you see, you want to cut out as much as this spongy piece that you have in the middle. Now that tastes kind of spongy if you leave a lot of it on, so you take out as much as possible of that. And that's what we're doing right now. So we already cooked this gilbaka to have with rice, but of course we're going to have some with our boiled and fried breadfruit. People call this here golbaka these days. As you know, it's there, as you say in Guyana. Gilbaka fish proper there. So a lot of people like to make fish curry to go with their boiled and fried provisions and the breadfruit as well. And they make snapper fish stew or curry to go with it. Pangamiri also. But we're only going to use the gilbaka because we have the gilbaka to go with rice, so we're going to just use some of that. If we were to cook fish curry especially for this, we wouldn't have chosen gilbaka, of course. I have to have some pepper. Okay, so we got everything ready. Our breadfruit is ready, our seasonings are ready, so we're heating up our water now. So our water is already boiling, so we're going to add our breadfruit now. So we're going to add some salt to this right now, and we're going to let it boil. So our breadfruit is boiling away. Alright, so our breadfruit has finished boiling, and we're going to continue to fry this now. We're going to have to strain this first. So you want to be careful with these because they're soft. You don't want to mush them up. So there you go. So we've added some oil to heat up to fry our breadfruit now. Alright, so we're ready for frying. That's our onions gonna go in first. So we're gonna fry up our onions a bit. We're not gonna put our scallions and pepper from the beginning because we don't want them to cook too much and lose its color and so on. You want that to be a little, the colors to be a little vibrant to the end. Give your dish a good presentation. Alright, so our onions fried enough, so we're gonna add our scallions now. And the pepper. And we're gonna just fry this up for a little bit more, maybe 30 seconds or so. Okay, so now we're gonna add our breadfruit. And look at that yumminess there, guys. Isn't that looking yummy? So you're gonna fold that over, mix in all that goodness with your breadfruit. And look at that already, man. That's mouth-watering already. Wow. And that's all there is to it, guys. We're gonna add a little bit more salt. And give it a little bit of a mix again. And that's it. You want to be careful while you're mixing this because the breadfruit is soft. It can break up easily. But that's it right there. Our boiled and fried breadfruit is done. It's ready. So that's it. You're going to remove this from the fire now, from your heat. So that's it for this recipe, guys. As we said, we're gonna have this with some fish curry, and you know, usually snapper or bangomeri curry or whatever you like. Today we are having this with some gilbaka curry because we cook gilbaka to eat with some rice, and so we're gonna use that same curry. So that's it for this recipe, guys. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.